Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add money to Trustwallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trustwallet app. So here it is. Make sure you have logged into Trustwallet. Now we are in Trustwallet interface. Now we need to choose any of the crypto we want to buy. So let's go for Bitcoin and click on buy. Choose the amount and choose the provider you want to buy it from and click on buy Bitcoin. Now choose the payment method and click on buy now. Enter your email address and click on continue. Now enter the verification code you got in your email. Continue. Now we need to add our personal details and click on continue. Enter the address and enter a social security number and click on continue. Now we need to add our ID proof, our selfie here, and finally we'll be done with adding money on Trustwallet. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.